the city, words fall like rain. Everybody talking, but nothing remains. I stood in the corner, I watched it unfold. Truth in the quiet, worth more than gold. They shout for attention, they fight to be seen, but peace is a language that lives in between. When silence speaks louder than words in the air, you feel every answer hanging there. No need for the shouting, no need to pretend. Silence will tell you where hearts really been. Oh, when silence speaks louder than words. I walked through the struggle, I carried the weight. Words only promise, but silence creates a space for the healing, a moment to see what's hidden inside of you and me. The truth doesn't hurry, it waits for the soul. In stillness we find what we already know. When silence speaks louder than words in the air, you feel every answer hanging there. No need for the shouting, no need to pretend. Silence will tell you where hearts really been. Oh, when silence speaks louder than words.
Heavy bass rolls, 8-beat raps. No voice, no fight, just the night speaking right. Delay on the guitar. Listen, listen. The silence ignites.
When silence